Here is biology class and we'll continue our lesson 3, the human body digestive system. In our last class we have studied about steps involved in nutrition in human beings, type of teeth and their function, organs of the digestive system, process of digestion. Today we are going to start our lesson from the topic causes of indigestion. Today we will cover the topics causes of indigestion, unhealthy food habits, ways to keep oneself healthy. So let's start from causes of indigestion. Indigestion means what, Chida? Indigestion means simple, it is the stomach upset. Something wrong in your stomach, that is indigestion. Dyspepsia is the scientific term used to describe indigestion or stomach upset. What is the scientific term? That is dyspepsia. It is a group of symptoms including feeling bloated, nausea and burping. So the symptoms which shows that you had some stomach upset, that is bloated. Nausea means that feeling to vomit. When you feel like vomiting, that is the nausea. Burping means to make a noise from when air rises from the stomach, it forced out. That is burping. The commonest symptoms of stomach upset is a pain in upper abdomen. So, what is the common symptom of stomach upset? That is pain in your upper abdomen. Now causes. What are the causes of indigestion? First, overeating, or in other words eating too much. If you have taken too much food, that is overeating. So that is the one of the cause of indigestion, that is dyspepsia. Eating rapidly. If you are eating rapidly, that is also one of the same cause. Eating too spicy foods. We should not take too spicy foods. Consumption of too much caffeine, alcohol, chocolate or soft drinks. If you are taking too much caffeine, caffeine is what? It is found in coffee and alcohol, chocolate or soft drinks which you like. So you should not take too much of alcohol, chocolate or soft drinks. Emotional conditions such as nervousness, anxiety and stress. Inflammation of the stomach or gastritis. Obesity means overeating. Okay, stomach ulcer, which is a break in the lining of the stomach. Break in the lining of the stomach is the stomach ulcer. Excess smoking. Certain medications such as antibiotics that interfere with the normal functioning of the different digestive organs. Certain medications such as antibiotics, if you are taking too much antibiotics, that also disturb your digestive system. So these are the causes of indigestion, that is dyspepsia. Now unhealthy food habits. What are the unhealthy food habits? First of all, skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast means that you are not taking your breakfast at proper time. Breakfast is the first important meal of the day. Many people skip this important meal. Skipping breakfast keeps you hungry throughout the morning and may encourage you to snack throughout the day. So if you are not taking your breakfast properly and you just skip it for your work or you feel not to eat, so that is also one of the unhealthy food habit. It also drains you of energy and seriously disturbs the metabolism. So metabolism, it is the process of converting food into energy. So it disturbs all that. Now how to overcome it? Always eat a healthy breakfast such as bowl of cereals, fruits, milk or other nourishing food items to kickstart your day. What are the nourishing food items? That is like milk, curd, so that items you should take. Now emotional eating. Second unhealthy food habit is emotional eating. Emotional eating means what? People eat when they are under stressful, when they are tensed. Okay, so they eat. Sometimes some people eat in stress also, in tensions also, even though they are not hungry. Though they are not hungry, but they are keep on eating. Generally, people select junk food such as chocolates, candies, ice creams, and cheese for binge eating. So, mostly people select junk food such as chocolate, candies, ice cream, cheese for binge eating. How to overcome it? How will you come out of this? Avoid emotional eating to cope with stress. So you should not take emotional eating to cope with stress. Instead of eating, a person can channel their nervous energy into developing a hobby or spending quality time with friends or near and dear ones. Instead of eating, they should spend their times with their friends or their dear ones. Now, binge eating, unhealthy habit. Food binging is the eating huge quantity of food at one go. Food binging means what? Taking too much food in one time. Sometimes people skip a meal and then overeat in the next meal to compensate. Sometimes what happens? You have skipped your meal, you have not taken the breakfast, and lunchtime you are taking too much of food. So what happens? At other time they may follow a strict diet plan throughout the week and binge eat on junk food, and sometimes they eat junk food also, too much of junk food during the weekends. Eating beyond the point of fullness creates indigestion. So when you are taking too much of the food, excess food, it creates indigestion. How to overcome it? Habitual bingers need to pay attention and train themselves to eat several small meals throughout the day. So you should take small meals throughout the day, small meals throughout the day. You should not take your food all together. You should take in different parts, in small parts. Eating during other activities. Now, other activities, how you are eating during other activities? Some people eat during reading, cooking, watching television, and so on. Mostly people nowadays do that. When you are reading the book or cooking time or watching television, you take your food. Most commonly, the food that they snack on it is a junk food, and mostly you are taking junk food like kurkure and all with little nutritional value but lots of calories. The person thus tends to overeat without being aware of it. And when you are watching the television and all, no, so you are not aware of that how much you had taken, and while watching the television you take more than the food what your body needs or what you requires. Okay, calorie means a unit of measuring how much energy you get from food. Calorie is the unit of measuring energy. Now, how to overcome it? Making and following a strict schedule for eating may help in overcoming this bad habit. So, you have to follow strict schedule for eating to overcome from this habit. Now, eating just before going to bed. Nighttime snacking is one of the unhealthiest eating habits. Sometimes people eat just before going to bed, just before going to sleep they take something. That is the bad habit. Consuming food close to bedtime also interferes with the sleep, and it also interferes in your sleep also, as the entire mechanism to digest food is active, because at that time the entire mechanism to digest food is active. That's why it is not the good habit. Now, how to overcome? Make a strict. Always you have to make strict rule not to consume food after dinner. Means it should be your habit that you should not take food at that time. And brush your teeth after dinner to signify that eating is over for the day. Ways to keep oneself healthy. Now, some ways are there. Some ways to keep oneself, to keep yourself healthy. Eat small quantity of food at each meal time. Always we should not take too much food. You should take small quantity of food at meal time. Brush your teeth twice a day. Use tongue cleaner to clean tongue. Eat good and healthy food. Exercise regularly to lead a healthy life. Maintain a cordial relationship with your friends, relatives, and neighbors for a harmonious life. So, these are the ways to keep oneself healthy. You should maintain a good relationship also with your friends and relatives. So, here our lesson is over. Now your work is prepare lesson 3 for test. I hope that all children have completed that question answers and the exercises given in the book. So you all had to well prepare the lesson for test. I will tell you date later, and read the lesson 2 to 3 times properly to understand. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.